Hi, welcome back to Natural Beauty with Melanie. Today we are here to unbox the August 2021 Beauty Heroes box. And I am really excited because this is my second month of getting Beauty Heroes and the subscription. And before this, I was getting the Clean Beauty box from December until I think about June is when they shut down. And I'm pretty sure every time I found out, maybe almost every time, if not every time, and same with Beauty Heroes, the first month I got, what was in the box, which brand. Somehow I always found out, even though I tried not to. Now this time I truly have no idea what brand is in here or what product. So I'm so excited because I've finally successfully been able to surprise myself and not find out. So let's find out together. I'm so excited. And my box, excuse me, my box came a day early too. So that is awesome. I'm just gonna fix this a little. All right, so here we are. I'm excited, okay. All right. Okay, oh, we have ingredients, that's the brand. Discover Ingredients. I do know about this brand. I know they have the ingredients listed because it was on one of my beauty news. Interesting. Okay, so we have 3 products. There we go. This is cool. I've never tried anything from them, but they're pretty newly featured. So, all right, I'm seeing a body oil. So see, they have the ingredients listed here. It's like it's just all out there. We have a body oil. We have a plant water mist. And a face serum. So let's see what the thing says. We have our Beauty Discovery here. I have to say, when I first saw this, I got excited because I thought we were getting all of that stuff at first. It's funny because it's like the August do-it-yourself ritual. I don't know why they're like saying all these products when it's just one brand, whatever. Okay, Beauty Discovery Ingredients, August 2021. So we have the plant water mist, which is 100 milliliters for $38. So it says it's an addictively refreshing plant water mist formulated with 96% floral waters and 4% probiotics. Proprietary blend includes rose, neroli, and lavender hydrosols that not only refresh and calm your skin, they smooth, soften, and deeply hydrating. So it says it's from a steamed distillation of fresh certified organic flowers sourced directly from the best producers around the world to ensure purity and freshness. There's a lot of other stuff too, but let's check it out together. Pretty like simple packaging. And we know all the ingredients are listed right here. And they have them listed right on the thing. So it says plant water mist, spray on clean skin and let dry. Follow with face serum and or oil complex. You know, that's cool because I think in my review of the Lil Fox products from last month, from July, I had said at the end of my video like what I would like to get, and I was like, I hope that we don't get any more. I hope I don't get like a face oil. I'm like, I could go for like a serum or a mist or a toner or mask. So we got, actually, I said or a body product. So we actually got a toner or mist, a face serum, and a body oil. So that's cool. I'm hesitant to spray this on my face, but we'll see. Hopefully it's not like super aggressive. All right, let's see here. Maybe I should try it on my hand first. It's like locked. Oh yeah, it might have been a little bit aggressive. Ooh, nice smell. So we have 45% rose hydrosol, 45% neroli hydrosol, 6% lavender hydrosol, and 4% lactobacillus. Let's see. There we go. It's like really hard to press. Maybe if I get more used to it. But I like the scent. Scent is really nice. Cool. I mean, my face is a little damp now. Plant water mist. It's like cooling, calming mist. Press the mister to break the seal, then use it to your heart's content. Hydrate and refresh after a workout. Carry it with you while traveling. Use it after shaving or sun exposure to cool and calm skin. This month's hero product, oh, this is the hero product, is a multi-use, multi-purpose, multi-adored product and a must-have in any skin wardrobe. Okay, let's check out the face serum next. The face serum is 40 milliliters for $48 value. And it says, harvested from damask roses grown in the Bulgarian Rose Valley, the fragrant rose hydrosol used in ingredients face serum provides functional hydration packed with phytonutrients. An organic form of highly concentrated aloe vera is infused with calming calendula, moisture surging tremella mushroom, and vegetable collagen boosting over 30 amino acids that together improve skin hydration and health. Use this 100% plant-based serum morning and evening on face and neck. It says the superpower ingredients are aloe vera 200 times. I don't really know what that means. Aspen bark, calendula extract, and tremella mushroom. So this is what the serum package looks like. It says apply 1 pump to clean skin on face and neck. Follow with oil complex. Use AM and PM. You could actually use it on children age 6 and up as well. So let's see if we can get a little pump. Usually takes a few times. Oh, all right. So that's what it looks like. Ooh, it's I could see the aloe vera. It's like sticky. It's a sticky serum. Ooh, I wonder how that's gonna feel on the face. Interesting. Definitely smells like rose to me. Subtle though, I think. Not anything like super polarizing, I don't think. Or super strong rose. But anyways, I think I'm gonna not even need a full pump because it was a lot. That's interesting. I'm trying to gauge how I feel about this box. I don't know if I'm super excited about it. I don't know what it is. Like, maybe, so I don't want to be swayed by cost, but these are like, last month was like products that were like over $100 each, and these are like $38 or $48 or $40, $42. So, you know, the value of the box is not quite as high. 90 plus 138, so like about 130, 140-ish total. But you do get 3 products, so that's cool. I also think like the packaging is very, I don't want to say the word basic, but plain sort of, and not like, you know, fancy or like exciting sort of. It's kind of bland. I'd like to say that that doesn't factor into like my perception of boxes and brands and stuff, but I think it does, if I'm being honest. So anyways, last up is a body oil, which is exciting. And it's 100 milliliters for $42. And the superpower ingredients are baobab oil, copaiba oil, jojoba oil, and lavender essential oil. I'm like, I don't love the scent of lavender, so I'm hoping this doesn't smell like lavender. We'll see. It says perfect for all ages and genders. Ingredients, travel-friendly body oil helps restore the skin's elasticity and natural lipid barrier with nourishing oils that absorb quickly, leaving no residue on the skin. Organic jojoba from a producer in Israel is blended with organic baobab oil from Senegal as the base of this lightweight, vitamin-rich sidekick. Okay, so this is the sidekick. Also included is copaiba oil, which, similar to CBD, is exceptional for soothing muscles and joint pain. The universal citrus vanilla scent offers up a not overly sweet treat resembling an organic creamsicle. Okay, if you're saying citrus vanilla, I'm excited about this. It says use post-shower, after sun, in a bath, or as a massage oil. Ooh, mine looks like it's leaking a little bit, so let's open it up upside down, since hopefully not too much leaked. Oh, it does smell like a creamsicle. Oh, this is kind of a mess. Like I said, hopefully not too much leaked. that's on. Oh yeah, okay, I had to open it. All right, there we go. Oh my gosh, it totally does smell like a creamsicle. That's nice. Yeah. Anyway, so here's the body oil. Right now I'm using like Osmia. I used the Naked body oil. I had like a small size from Petit Boar. And then I got the Sunset scented body oil, which I've only used like after one shower so far. So that's like a small one. So it'll be kind of cool to see how I like this body oil, which is a lot more affordable, I believe. But I'd have to compare like the price and the size from Osmia's. So don't quote me on it. Yeah, I'd have to see because it could end up being equivalent. But like I said, it's a little bit of a leaky mess situation, but hopefully we can just spread the love on and we didn't lose too much of it here. You know, you can't really tell because of the packaging. It's opaque and everything, you know, if that's the right word. So anyways, yep, we've got the plant water mist, which is the hero product. And then we have the body oil, which is the sidekick. And it doesn't really say that the serum is a sidekick, but I guess it's, unless I'm missing it, but no, I don't think so. I guess it's just like a bonus. So this brand is a newcomer, but it says the founders are no strangers to beauty. They are the visionaries behind Art of Shaving, Miriam and Eric. Oh, Art of Shaving, I guess it's an old brand. And the people who made it are Eric and Miriam Malka. Anyways, it gives some information about them. And I don't know if everything here, it says ingredients was founded on the belief that everyone should have access to organic. So that says they follow the model of like farm to table in a way as much as possible. They've worked hard to abbreviate the supply chain, deliver organic formulas that are more accessible to everyone and highly concentrated. Quality ingredients are inherently costly, but with ingredients, this brand, you'll discover a beautiful balance of fair pricing, great value, and superior quality. Cool. I just want to see if it says that these, I think every, like for the body oil, every ingredient here is certified organic. And then looks like almost, or most of the things in the serum are certified organic. And then it looks like almost everything is certified organic from the plant water mist. So that's nice. So there we go. We have these 3 products and from this brand that's pretty new that I probably would have never guessed that this is the brand that we would be getting. So I am definitely curious to see how this box is going to be received in the Beauty Heroes. You know, what's the word I'm looking for? Like culture, that's not the word. The Beauty Heroes community. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm getting at. People gonna like it, or are they gonna be, you know, displeased with the value and the fact that it's more kind of like basic packaging and stuff? We shall see. So let me know your thoughts on the box, if you received it, what you think about it, first impressions. I'd be interested to hear people's opinions. And let me know if you've tried anything from this brand already. And if the video was helpful and you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and click the subscribe button so you'll be alerted when the next video comes out. Thanks for watching. Bye.